Hey, just a little info about this Scooby Dub before it begins. Because this is a dub of an indie pilot, I should probably mention to you guys that I do not own any of the clips I'm presenting here. This is under fair use, and all that stuff goes to Glitch Productions. Which, please, by the way, please greenlit this show. I really want to see the entirety of it as a big Owl House fan. Yeah. And the other thing is, the day this Scooby Dub is releasing is actually my birthday, January 14th. So I'm giving everyone a little gift from me for my birthday. So with that being said, enjoy the Scooby Dub.
She bakes cookies. How can you not trust her?
Take my hand, Twilight. Let me show you there's another way. Just like someone once did for me.
Cheeseburger.
Me! Come on, just need change for the vending machine. I'll tip you Scooby Snacks.
Wait a second!
What? Crowley?
Don't do that!
I'm your uncle. You know me.
Not it until you started wearing that uniform, Crowny.
I'm not even administration. I'm an engineer. A junior engineer. Bottom of the ladder.
Which one do you need again?
Have mercy.
Ribbit.
You chose this slide.
And choose a job, you little shit.
Boing, 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 boing.
We are all victims of the pub, but if everyone's so busy building for each other, they see the corporate head of the wheel. Do you think on a call like me is buried? No, I can understand. Your attention's divided, man. Meanwhile, every new planet's got a toy for
Like,
and soon,
Scoob,
nobody's a
let's
touch
go
but
home.
any commerce in amusement entertainment. We ain't got no choice. Ain't got no choice. Me!
Screw Scrappy. What does he know? You're a park engineer, Scoob. Most people would kill to have that job. Besides,
Reggie, what is your this? Imposition, babe. Ribbit. Oh yeah, boombox. Sure known. Well, let's get out of here before Scrappy finds out you're
Yes!
too late, you little shit.
Damn it, Shaggy! There's gonna be next time in Mojo!